Which email service provider is the best for cold outreach? Before you can create and send great cold email campaigns, you need to integrate your cold email platform with an email service provider. When it comes to ESP, you have lots of options. They all accomplished the same basic mission of sending, receiving, and managing your email, but they also differ in ways that could be important to you in terms of ease of use, features and functionalities, security integrations, and more. Use this list of some of the most common ESP and their pros and cons to choose the best one for your cold email outreach. Let the comparisons begin. A quick reminder about ESPs and cold emailing platform. Remember that there is a difference between email service providers we are going to look at here and cold email platforms like Woodpecker. We would not get too deep into here, but email service providers are built for one-to-one communication, whether for personal use or at scale of commercial use, whereas cold email platform allow you to reach larger audience while preserving the ability to personalize email HTML. Just like cold email platform, including Woodpecker, have sending limits to guard against abuse. Cold email platforms also offer automation functionalities that let you set up sequence for emails that start and continue conversation without needing your help. Cold email platforms also collect and share metrics that give you insights into how your message was received by your recipients. Sometimes that is not built in directly to your email service providers. ESP and cold email platforms can be used separately but make a great combo when they are combined and integrated. You can use the functionality of a platform like Woodpecker on the back end while keeping the familiar interface of your favorite email service provider on the front end. It is the best both worlds when you put ESPS and cold emailing platforms together. Anyway, let's continue with our looks at the best email service provider, all of which can be integrated with Woodpecker. Gmail. Everybody knows Gmail, but for our purpose here, we are going to look at Google Workspace, the upgraded version, because it's far more likely to be used together with a cold email platform. Google Workspace provides the same basic Gmail experience but comes with the little extra that make it good choice for terms, organization and well workspace. Pros of Gmail Workspace: easy to use, good user interface. You can customize it in a few different ways, but default way of experiencing Gmail is clean and simple. They somehow come up with a design that is accommodating both for people using their first email account and experienced heavy users. Part of the Google ecosystem. There might be one or more two people living at the bottom of the ocean who do not need or use Google, but the rest of us depend on its search, drive, calendar, other functions every day. Optimize for work. Want to use the Gmail interface and functionalities for your work team while adding more collaboration and productivity tools at the same time? Google Workspace is a popular way to take the familiar elements of the Gmail experience and put everything in an organization setting optimized for getting work done. Great mobile version. Everyone sends their email to their phone. Wait, you do it too, right? And the Gmail mobile version is easy to install and use. Decent sending limits. Gmails let you send a maximum of 500 emails in a 24 hours period and use a maximum of 100 address per email per day. If you upgrade to Google Workspace, you can send up to 2000 emails a day from each address. Seriously, what else do you want? Cons of Gmails. Part of Google ecosystem. Yes, it can be a pro and a con at the same time. If privacy is a major concern, this can be something to think about. Google claims they stopped scanning email content in Gmail for ad purpose in uh, 2017, but more than one person has noticed odd con- coincidence in the ad content they see after writing emails. Also, if you prefer using, for example, Microsoft Word for your documents, they then you will have to go back and forth between two platforms. Only kind of customizable. If you are satisfied with just changing the background color or using one of your vacation selfies as wallpaper, then you are fine. If you want more than that, you might find the limited options for customization in Gmail a little frustrating. No desktop app. You can install Gmail on your mobile device, but there is no desktop version. Not the end of the world, but some people like the extended functionality that comes with an installed program. Pricing. Google Workspace is charged per email account that you set up. So essentially that means per employee in the organization. Three different tiers are priced at 6 USD, 12 USD and 18 USD per month. With difference in the amount of storage, the number of videos, meeting they can attend, and certain other features differing from one package to the next. Outlook. Microsoft Outlooks has been helping millions upon millions of people organize their lives since 1997. Now part of both Microsoft Office and Microsoft 365 packages. These are the main pluses and minuses of this familiar email service provider. Pros of Outlooks. Extended capabilities and functionalities. If Gmail is a good enough tool for Gmail email, Outlook is the one of the professional. It just does more, from task management to complex scheduling features and more. This email service provider make you feel like the captain of the huge corporate ship.